Yeah. Yeah, morning all. Before I start, can one please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not? Right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Hearing.
Okay. So data types, fundamental data types, there are 5 types. Collection data types, there are 4 types. Integer, float, Boolean, string, complex. Integer, something in the form, okay, age 25. Float, something in decimal point. Boolean, which returns either true or false. String, a sequence collection of characters. Okay, complex numbers. Python supports complex data type to create complex numbers. A plus IB. In general mathematics, we say A plus IB, imaginary part. So instead of I, we use J in Python. Collection types, 4 types. List, square bracket, tuple using normal bracket, set by using curly bracket, and dictionary by using key and value. So string, sequence collection of characters. String represented using double quotes or single quotes. Same, city equal to Hyderabad. You can use a single quote also, right? And or we use triple quote also for multiple lines of string. For multiple lines of string, right? Yes. So we have got discussion on string, like string methods. String methods. No need to write huge codings here in Python. We have got many inbuilt methods available. For example, upper, to print in uppercase. To print in uppercase. X equal to Hyderabad. To print this in uppercase, print X dot upper. X dot upper. Right. Extend to print in lowercase. For example, X equal to Mumbai.
Increase the font size.
Hmm?
Increase the font size.
Yeah. So options, configure ideally, right. To print in uppercase, Hyderabad, X dot upper. To print in lowercase, Mumbai. X dot lower, printing Mumbai in lowercase. Printing Mumbai in lowercase, right? Yes. Was it okay? Printing Mumbai in lowercase. For example, x equal to India, x equal to India, right? I want only the first character, I only in the uppercase, remaining all in the lowercase itself. Only I should be in uppercase. For that, we have got one more method, x dot capitalize. X dot capitalize, right? Only the first character only in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. India. Only the first character in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. For capitalizing the first character. Next, for example, x equal to, there is a good morning, Hyderabad. How many words are there? How many words in this? 3 words. Each word first character in uppercase. G in uppercase I want, M in uppercase, H in uppercase. Good morning, Hyderabad. G in uppercase I want, morning I want in uppercase, H, Hyderabad, H I want. Every word first character I want in uppercase. Print. If I say capitalize, only the G appears in uppercase. X dot title. What is that? X dot title. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase. For capitalizing the first character. In a string. Just observe this output. A run module. Good morning, Hyderabad. G in uppercase, M in uppercase, Hyderabad, H in uppercase. One more example here, right? For title. Where can this title be used? I got some employee names. Rahul, Ajay, Blake, Miller, James, Rohit, Amar. In this way, I got some employee names. Each and every employee name, first character I want in uppercase. Every employee name, first character in the uppercase. EMPS dot title. EMPS dot title. Just every employee name, first character in the uppercase. Rahul R in uppercase, Ajay A in uppercase, Blake, Miller, James, Rohit, Amar. Each and every employee name, first character in the uppercase. Right. Next, swap case. Converting one case to another case. Converting one case to another case. If it is in upper, converts to lower. If it is in lower, converts to upper. Reverses the case. Same, you got a string. Good morning, right. If it is in lower case, converts to upper case, reverses the case. X dot swap case, right? It converts to upper. If it is in upper, converts to lower, reverses it. If you got combination of lower and upper, or lower converts to upper, all upper converts to lower. Next, replace. We have got a method called replace. For replacing, yes, for replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. For example, Java is easy. Print. X is the X dot replace. Replace the word Java. Replace the word Java with Python. The output is Python is easy. You get that. You get Python is easy. Java is easy and Java is simple. Yes. Replace the word Java with Python means each and every occurrence of Java will be replaced with Python. You get Python is easy and Python is simple. Python is easy and Python is simple. To count the number of occurrences. To count the number of occurrences of substring or a character. To count the number of occurrences of a substring or a character. X equal to hello, right? Normal string, how are you? A normal string I have taken. I want the count of X is the string. I want the count of the word hello. The count is it returns 3. Similarly, I want X dot count. Count of this character H. You get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count of this character H is 4. For example, I'll take some multiple. So one more example. I'll take some multiple line string, a paragraph, data. Using triple quote, I will represent. I'll bring some data from C drive. Python is simple. Python is user for Python features. See, if I use double quotes, see, observe this. Python is providing different colors for different functionalities. For comments, red color. For string, green color. For inbuilt functions like print, violet color. But here, if I use double quotes, only the first line appearing in green color, not all the lines, right? Because double quote for single line only, for single line string only. If I use triple quote, then it will give for multiple line strings, I need to go with triple quote. See, all the lines appears in green color, right? So whenever you want to represent multiple lines of string, go for triple quote. So now in this is string, multi-line string. Data is the string name. I want the count of Python. P capital, right? Yes. Count of Python. 10, right? Yes, 10. Count of Python is 10. For example, Python is case sensitive. Uppercase, lower cases are taken differently. Data dot count of Python. It gives what? 0. Because capital P, right? All are starting with capital P's. Count of Python is what? 0.
Sir, this is
But
case sensitive.
yes, Python is case sensitive.
Okay.
So what I will do, but I want whether it is in uppercase or lowercase, I want the count of Python means first data dot lower, convert everything to lowercase. Convert everything to lowercase. After converting to lowercase, now apply count on it. The result, whatever you get from this data dot lower, on that you apply count of Python. Now it gives 10, right? Convert everything to lowercase and count it. Count of Python, it gives 10. Now, format method. We have what a method called format for substitutions. For substitutions, x equal to, for example, if you want curly bracket, just like fill up the blank, right? Like curly bracket we use here is the captain of Indian team. Is the captain of Indian team, right? Yes. Whatever you want to substitute in that. So what is the string name? X dot format method we use. Format of whatever you want to give, right? What is it? Rohit. Whatever you want to substitute, can substitute here. Rohit is the captain of Indian team. Run module. Rohit is the captain of Indian team. So X is a string. Format method for substitution, right? Is the captain of Indian team. So what you want to substitute in this? Rohit. Rohit is the captain of Indian team. Next, one more example.
Sir, Rohit is
Hmm. X is the string. The string dot format means what you want to substitute in this. Rohit.
okay.
One more example. His name is. His name is. And he is. Here two substitutions. Y is the string. dot format method. First substitution, what you want? His name is Ajay. First substitution. And he is a doctor. Substituting. In the first substitution, right? Ajay. In second one, doctor. Why we use format method means format method is used for substituting, right? So just like fill up
Sir,
the
it
blank.
it's
Mm.
like a filling the blanks.
Yes.
Yeah.
Observe this example 3. Try to, okay. Now try to frame some meaningful sentence from this Z dot format. Try to frame some meaningful sentence in the substituting these 3 by substituting these 3, right? Mm. In the first substitution, okay, Modi is the PM of
India.
India. That is one. Second sub one, you can make multiple substitutions in this. Try to say format. Delhi is the
Capital of
capital.
India.
Third substitution, India.
India.
Print. Multiple substitutions you can do for it. Format. Rahul Gandhi, right? Rahul is the son of Rajiv. Hmm. Multiple substitutions. Z dot format. Hmm. Any others like Rohit, captain, India. Even multiple words also you can substitute like this. Z dot format. Hmm. Python. Hmm. Python is the most popular. 2 words I'm substituting. Most popular of all languages. Two words I'm substituting here. Two words or sentence also you can substitute. Okay. Python is the most popular of all languages. Rohit is captain of India. Right. Rahul is the son of Raju. Delhi is the capital of India. Modi is the PM of India. We have got a method called strip method. Strip method. For removing the blank spaces. For removing the blank spaces before and after. For removing the blank spaces before and after the string. For removing the blank spaces before and after the string. X equal to hello world. I got this many blank spaces before and after the string. Print. Length of x means including the blank spaces, it says. Entire this, right? Length of number of characters within the string. So 37 characters are there, including the blank spaces. So if we say, if I want to remove that x dot strip, that's it. It removes the blank spaces before the string, after the string. Store the result in y. Now say print y comma len of y comma len of y. Run a run module. So now only 11, the length is 11 now. It removed all the blank spaces before the string and after the string. Removes the blank spaces before and after the string. Find.
Sir, if blank space is only one side, left and right, then which function we have to use?
Only
Left or right side?
you want to remove only left side or right side.
If only one side, blank space.
Z equal to x dot L strip. Only left side only you strip it. L strip. Only left side only you strip it. Right side it will be as it is. The length is 27. Right side it will be as it is. And if you want right side only, if you want to strip it, x dot R strip. Right side only you strip it.
Okay.
Store the result in W. Print W comma length of Z. Your right side will be as it is. Your left side will be there. But both sides, if you want, strip method. Strip, L strip, R strip. To check whether a substring is available or not. If found, it returns first character index position. If found, it returns the first character index position. Else, if not found, it returns -1. It returns -1. What? Python is easier than Java. Check whether the word Java is available in the string or not. Print x dot find for the word. X is the string name. In this X string, find for the word Java. Find for the word Java, right? Yes. If Java available, At what index it is available? Check it. If Java is available, it returns the first character, means J index position it returns. What is the index of J? 22. For example, if the word, if you are searching x dot find for the word Hadoop, it's not available. It returns -1 for it. If available, it returns the first character. If not available, returns -1. To check whether the substring is available or not. It is the first character, else it returns -1, right? Next, we have got a method like split. If we split a string, if we split a string, if we split a string, we get a list. If we split a string, we get a list. Good morning, Hyderabad. Print only Hyderabad from this. Good morning, Hyderabad. Print only Hyderabad from this. Print only Hyderabad from this. Print only Hyderabad means x1 you split it. Split this. If I split this line, you will get words, right? If I split this line, you will get words. How many words? 3 words. You will split based on what? Using space. Why space? Because between the words space is there. Split based on space. What you will get? You will get y as the result. If we split a string, we get a list. So x is a string. If I split based on space, y is what? A list you get. Print y and the type of y. Type of y will be what type? List type. In that list, how many words? 3 words you see. Which word you want from it? Third word. Means list will have index. So which word you want to print from that list? So good morning, Hyderabad. Square bracket, a list of 3 words. List also will have index. 0 indicates the first word. 1, 2. Right? Yes. Print y of 2. Print y of 2, right? Yes. Y of 0, y of 1, y of 0 is this. Y of 1 and y of 2 is what? Hyderabad. Run module. Y of 0, Y of 1, Y of 2. Yes, it prints Hyderabad. Yes. One more example, right? Employee details are like this. Employee ID 101, employee name Rahul, designation manager, salary 50,000. Print only name and salary from this. Print name and salary. Print name and salary from this. EMP dot split based on comma this time, because between the words comma is there. If we split this entire line based on comma, you will get words. How many words we get? 4 words. Print W comma type of W. If you split based on comma, you will get LW is what? A list. List of 4 words. Okay, which word you want from that? This and this. Run module. Double quotes, right? Open with double quotes and with double quotes. Run module. Okay, this name I want salary 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 3 you want. Store in the variable y. Print y and type of y. Yes. Y of 1 and y of 3. Y of 1 means name. Y of 3 means salary. Yes. Rahul and name and salary. Okay, so we have got this. So these are the methods, right? Mostly use string methods. Next, input and output statements in Python. Output and input statements in Python, right? So we have got print function, print output function in Python. Output function, right? Output function in Python, print, right? So to display the output on the console, just see the behavior of the print first. X is 10, Y is 20. Print X comma Y. See the behavior of the print here. X comma Y, if I'm printing, what is the output you get? Yes. Type X comma Y. If I say print X comma Y, what is the output? 10 comma 20 you get, or 10 space 20 you get?
10,20.
Observe here, you want to get 10 comma, but 10 space 20 you get. 10 space 20. But I want a 10 comma 20 as the output. The output I want to see 10 comma 20. So in such case, within the print X comma Y, but what separator you want between them? Comma separated between them. What separator you want between them? I want the space separated. Print x comma y. What separator you want? Like a slash t. Four spaces, tab space we say. Check this output. Run module. So 10 comma 20, 10 space 20, 10 tab 20. Four spaces. Any kind of separator you can specify. If you are not specifying any separator, by default it takes space separated. That's why you got 10 space 20. What is the default separator? It takes space. Print any separator x comma y comma separator equal to colon 10:20. X comma y comma separator equal to yes. Some kind of dependency, right? Yes. 10 gives 20 in this way. 10 colon 20, 10 gives 20. Print.
The fourth line print. That one is for how much space we need.
Here this one slash t.
Yes.
Slash t means 4 spaces it takes default.
4 spaces.
Slash t means it takes 4 spaces.
So
X comma s, x comma y comma separator equal to, even we got slash n, new line, next line. 10 in one line, 20 in another line. 10 in one line, 20 in that new line. Tab space slash t means 4 spaces. A is 10, B is 20, C is 30. Instead of defining in 3 different lines in this way, can I define a single line in this? Is it valid? A has 10, B has 20, C has 30. Is it valid? Using comma, if I define in a single line, it gives error. So whenever 3 Python statements, A is 10, B is 20, C is 30. 3 Python statements, if you want to write in a single line, use a semicolon between them. Use semicolon between them. It works. It won't give any error. Print A, semicolon, print B, semicolon, print C. Print A, print B, and print C.
But sir, column is optional. It's not a mandatory.
Semicolon normally not required, but multiple statements like this. If you are writing in a single line, 2 print statements, if you write in a single line, it gives error. See that it gives error there. If you use semicolon, it works. Understood? All these 5 statements in a single line I can write by keeping semicolon between them. 1 second. Okay. Check it. If this now semicolon, if you give it works. Now see the behavior of the print here. 5 print statements. Print these 2 values and goes to next line by default. prints and goes to next line, prints and goes to, even though you have given 3 print statements in the single line, don't think you will get the output in the same line. Prints 10 and goes to next line by default. Prints 20 and goes to next line. Prints means you will get the output in 3 different lines. Then 20, 30. The print behavior prints the values. Control goes to next line. Prints 20 and goes to next line. Prints 30 and goes to next line. So multiple statements, Python statements, if you're writing in a single line, use a semicolon between them, it works. If you use comma, it gives error. So compulsory, use semicolon. They generally semicolon not required in Python. When semicolon required means multiple statements, Python statements. If you're defining in the same line, use semicolon between them. For example, if I say print, it is not printing anything. It won't print anything, but control goes to the next line. It is not printing anything, but the control goes to the next line. Print means by default slash in behavior, right? It takes default. Yes. You will get one line gap. Print a slash and right? Otherwise, here you can say print a slash and means 2 lines gap you get. For slash and 1 line, print 1 line. 2 lines gap you get. Two lines gap you get, right? Yes. For example, print good. Print morning. You will get the output in single line or 2 lines. Prints good and goes to next line. Prints morning and goes to next line. So you'll get the output in 2 lines. But these 2 print statements output, I want to see the output in the same line. Good morning as the output I want. But 2 print statements only should be there. But the output has to be displayed in a single line. So at the end of this first one, just give end and end equal to space, means end at the end of this, attach the next print statement output to this using space. At the end of this, attach, whenever you end means what is your understanding? Okay, this is saying that whatever the next print is, that output attached to this current line using a space between them. Good morning as a single one. Observe this one more example. Using space you want, or using /t 4 spaces you want, or without any space I want as a single word. Check these 3 things. Run module, right. Good space morning, good tab morning, and good morning as a single word. But if you got 3 lines, you got 3 lines like this, Good morning, Hyderabad. In how many lines you get this output? Try to answer. You'll get the output in 1 line, 2 lines, or 3 lines. Hmm.
2 lines, sir.
Yeah,
2
good
lines.
morning in 1 line you get, Hyderabad in another line. You get good morning in 1 line, Hyderabad in different line. In this way. But I want a good morning Hyderabad as a single line. What I need to do?
And
Morning and space.
After morning,
morning and
END equal to space.
yeah.
That's it. Run module. Now understood this END behavior and SCP behavior within the print. SCP means whenever multiple variables, if you are printing, what separator you want between them. END is for attaching multiple print statements into one line. Yes. Yes. So next input function, just like input function is there for inputting a value for x. Input enter value of x. Whatever value you enter for x, that value will be taken. Okay. So yes, more discussion. So more discussion we'll discuss in the tomorrow session about the input function in Python, other things. So yes, this is the course content, and tomorrow the link is changing, right? Yes. Tomorrow the link will be changing, so you need to get enrolled. So for Python core and advanced, the fee structure is 6,000, and for the total full stack Python core advanced UI technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and for Django framework or REST APIs, for all this, the first fee structure is 12,000. You can see the chart panel. In the chart, the online team has given a message, right, about the payment process, their contact details. Yes. Don't forget to share the screenshot of your payment to that mail ID given, DURGASOFT online training, right? And this is the course content in brief we'll be discussing, right? Python basics, Python operations, operators in Python, IDs, working with different IDs, flow control statements, looping statements, strings, collections in Python, lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries, functions in Python, modules in Python, packages, errors and exceptions, file handling, object-oriented programming concepts, regular expressions, database connectivity, Python datetime module, OS module, iterators, generators, closures, decorators, web scraping, graphical GUI programming, Excel workbook, data analytics, introduction to data science, Python pandas module in brief, Python NumPy module in brief, and Matplotlib. This is what as part of Python core and advanced. People who wants to go for full stack, right? Django framework, Django introduction, Django web frameworks, Django installation, project architecture, application creations, views, templates, admin, Django models, advanced concepts, and UI technologies, HTML in brief, CSS in brief, JavaScript in brief, right?
Sir, Python full stack used in data science.
Python. Yes, even
Full
even there are some algorithms, right, in data science algorithm which uses Django framework.
okay.
Okay, so get enrolled. Tomorrow you will be getting that link to your mail IDs. Check your mail IDs for that new link for tomorrow's class. I said for the first next 4 days you'll be having the class. 4 5 days you'll be having the class at 5 o'clock later. From the next Monday onwards, it will be at 6 o'clock. It starts at 6 o'clock, 6 to 7.
Sir, link will be receive on personal mail ID.
Yes, mail ID.
Okay.
By today evening, you will be getting it. If you have not received, you can just call on that number, right? Mobile numbers are provided.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. So if I'm done with your queries, if there are no other queries, right, I'm signing off for now. Meet you tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Yes. Thank you all for your time. Meet you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.